Hello, cherries. Welcome to July's YouTube Hop, and this month's theme is family. I am starting a new memory book, and the first page is going to be about my family. So I'm really glad that that is this month's theme. Now, I do not have a game plan for products. I kind of just pulled some of the ones that I wanted to use, but I don't really know what I'm going to end up using. The first thing that I'm doing though is I'm going to add a frame to these photos. I know that I don't really want this book to be too chunky. Normally I do like a lot of chunk for like my scrapbooks and stuff, but this memory book is going into another journal system, and I know that eventually I can't have it too chunky in there. So anyways, I'm going to try to keep it as flat as possible, but I also like movement and things like that. So we're gonna see how flat I can make it. Okay, I love this Color Me Happy line from Simple Stories so much, and I've used it for a ton of my projects and I'm still not sick of it. I really love the colors to this line, but I also think that it matches the photos that I'm using pretty well. I am really loving all of like the acetate sheets right now. I got a couple from Dina Wakley, but this one is in the pack of the ephemera from Vicky Boutin. And I checked in store. This particular pack is out of stock, but they do have another theme, and I believe that one has some transparency in there too. And I'm gonna add a little bit of a tip-in tape. Have you guys ever used tip-in for your journals before? I like that it adds like that little middle layer. And then this is a rub-on from Dina Wakley, and it's new, and I'm going to add a little butterfly detail on the acetate, and then I'm also going to add it throughout the journal pages as well. What I really like about these rub-ons is, I don't know if you guys remember a long time ago, the rub-ons, I mean, you had to like really use all your might to like rub it on, and maybe part of it will come out. Okay, so rub-ons nowadays has really come a long way. I barely had to rub these, and they just transferred really easily. So if you guys haven't tried rub-ons recently and are jaded from the old rub-ons from a long time ago, give them a try, because I swear they are like new and improved, and they work amazing. And I really like how these add a layer, but it's still flat. You know what I mean? If you're trying to like keep it not as chunky, the rub-ons are amazing. Also, another thing that I've been enjoying lately are washi tape sheets. I like how they are super nice and thin and adds interest to the background. So I use them for backgrounds a lot. I was hoping this summer that I was going to be able to get more scrapbooking in, but it has been so crazy. My 3 kids are keeping me on my toes, definitely. I have not finished as many layouts as I thought that I would. Also, it's been really hard keeping any type of background sound on these videos, so I had to like mute everything because my house is so loud with my 3 kids. I'm only able to do a voiceover because it is 2 a.m. and they are all asleep. Also, I meant to share that these photos are from the St. Louis Zoo. I went there for Creativation, and the zoo is free. Isn't that awesome? But they had these really cool decorations and stuff which light up in the evening, and that event is not free. But even during the day it was beautiful, so I could just imagine how beautiful they would be all lit up in the evening. Now I'm using a Dilutions ink spray, which actually we got at Creativation, and I really love how bright and vibrant it is. This one is in the color Tropical Sangria, which is like a hot pink. Of course, I decided to spray once I already had all of my photos down, but anyways, I just wanted a little bit of a paint splash. Another thing that I really like about journals is when it's interactive. So I like it when you have to like pull a journaling tag or something or flip it open. And I don't always like the journaling to be showing or like right up front. So I kind of like to hide the journaling. So that's what I did with this layout. I hid it behind this photo here, and then I have another journaling on this page. And then once I'm done journaling, I'm pretty much finished with my layout. But last minute, I added a couple more photos. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope that you guys enjoy this project. Be sure to hop along so that you guys have a chance to win a $25 gift card to a cherry on top. In the description, I have a link to the hop list and also all of the supplies that I used. See you guys next craft.